Barbie gets a new look, Hacking Dermatology has a winner, and Maui Derm delivers updates in acne, skin cancer, and more. Ahead on DermWire TV. Welcome to DermWire TV from the editors of DermWire and PracticalDermatology.com. I'm Rana Jaraha. There are new additions to the Barbie family, and the new dolls may look a little more like the patients dermatologists see every day. Mattel has introduced several new dolls as part of its fashionista line for 2020, including a doll with alopecia and one with vitiligo. The additions demonstrate Barbie's continuing journey to represent global diversity, a company statement says. Dr. Janine Downey has championed inclusion, especially in dermatology. The Montclair, New Jersey-based dermatologist and co-host of The Gist on YouTube says she welcomes the new dolls.
I want to congratulate Barbie and Mattel on including now in their 170 different diverse dolls, 2 more that include a little doll with vitiligo and another doll with alopecia. So little girls around the world are going to feel embraced and loved. I think it's important because they're going to feel glamorous and they're going to feel happy. So I think it's fantastic. I'm somebody that supports skin inclusion and diversity and inclusion through Obaj's platform and through my own. So I can just tell you this is fantastic.
Dr. Downey addresses issues of inclusion in aesthetic medicine in the January-February edition of Modern Aesthetics magazine, available soon. Maui Derm 2020 offers insights on new and emerging therapies for acne, skin cancer, and more. As part of DermTube video coverage of the meeting with host Dr. Joel L. Cohen, Practical Dermatology got updates from several presenters, including meeting founder Dr. George Martin.
Everybody's really excited to know what's on the horizon, and Amaryl's bringing a new hot molecule with a totally different mechanism of action to market. It's actually got a name. It's called terbinafine, and what it does is it inhibits alpha-tubulin. So you need alpha-tubulin to allow a cell to divide, to set up the spindle apparatus, and it interferes with that, as well as the cell's ability when it becomes metastatic to migrate. So there's great data on it, not just in vivo and in vitro, but now we have phase 3 data that's come out on 25 square centimeters, not full face or full scalp like I think you and I would have preferred the study to be done, but excellent results. You get about 50% of patients achieving full 100% clearance on the face and scalp, and close to 75% of patients achieving 75% clearance.
Discussion included a new topical minocycline foam. Seems to get very high levels in the skin, good efficacy without systemic levels as we have with oral minocycline. There's a new retinoid, triferritine. This is a brand new retinoid, first in class, was studied for truncal acne as well as facial acne, so something I think we're excited to have in our armamentarium. There's a new type of tazarotene, which is set up as a lower strength lotion.
Do you know how we have cankles where the calf blends into the ankles? So I call the JEC where the jawline blends into the neck. So it's an innovative treatment where I combine absorbable sutures as well as injectables, a little bit of fat reduction on the neck to give you this beautiful, crisp, defined jawline. I think the jawline was like the ugly stepchild or left out of the whole picture, but we know how important that is to support the face.
Look for additional coverage online at practicaldermatology.com/videos. Hacking Dermatology has a winner. The grand prize went to Wart Patch. Hacking Dermatology is modeled on the Hacking Medicine Institute's Extended Innovation Program and is a partnership among Advancing Innovation in Dermatology, Hacking Medicine Institute, MIT Hacking Medicine, and Leo Science and Tech Hub, the Boston-based R&D innovation unit of Leo Pharma. Wart Patch, a painless microneedle-based immunotherapy delivery device for treating warts, especially in children, won the final pitch this week. DermWire TV caught up with a member of the Wart Patch team after their victory.
First of all, I just want to express how thankful Team Wart Patch is to have been chosen as the grand prize winner of this year's Hacking Dermatology event. Since our selection as finalists last September, we have worked tirelessly in continuing to develop our concept, and this recognition is more than worth that effort. The funding will immediately go towards developing our initial formulation and prototype, and proof of concept testing and trials would not be possible without this early stage of development. With that being said, perhaps the more valuable component of this win is the significant validation that comes with being chosen by a panel of industry experts in this highly competitive process. This validation, along with the continued expert mentorship provided throughout the Hacking Dermatology process, ensures a bright future for Team Wart Patch.
Hacking Dermatology is hosted by the Cambridge Innovation Center. That's it for this edition of DermWire TV. Get updates anytime at practicaldermatology.com. Thanks for watching.